The financial risks of a poor safety culture couldn't be higher. A large truck crash can cost up to $14.6 million, and even one injury crash over $300,000. But safety isn't about fear. It's about prevention, and that starts with your next safety meeting. Too often, safety meetings are rushed or routine. But done right, they become one of the most powerful tools for improving performance, engagement, and safety culture. Distraction isn't just physical, it's cognitive. Even hands-free calls take up mental capacity. The National Safety Council reports that distracted drivers miss up to 50% of visual cues. In your next meeting, discuss hidden distractions, dispatch alerts, infotainment screens, and fatigue. Fatigue is a performance issue, not just a rulebook item. Being awake 17 hours impairs you like a 0.05% BAC. After 24 hours, 0.1%. Discuss sleep habits, rest cycles, and the importance of recovery time. Rest is not downtime. It's an investment in safety. Defensive driving is about prediction, not reaction. Use frameworks like the Smith System or SIPTA to teach drivers to scan, predict, and plan escape routes. Try whiteboard challenges or real route analysis to turn theory into practice. Make learning fun and memorable by doing the following on your next safety meeting. Hazard perception challenges using dashcam clips. Blind spot demonstrations with cones. Real near-miss discussions. No blame, just learning. Use your own telematics data to personalize safety meetings. Show speeding trends, braking hotspots, or idle time metrics. Ask your team, why is this happening? What can we improve? Download your driver safety meeting guide today.